Wait. Jeremy, where are you going?
Follow this guy.
Where are you going? Pirate accent. Oh, this is gonna be fun.
You're gonna be retarded.
Oh god. Ready to blow through 4 or 5?
Yeah. Where are you going? Alright.
This field seems really small. It is small.
Where are you heading out?
I'm gonna maybe for that first wave.
Yeah?
If I can, there's a ship right in front of that wave. I'm gonna advance to the ship if I can.
Alright.
So you're hitting the front of the big ship? I'm hitting this first wave. And then if you see over here, there's a ship. I'm gonna try in this day. We can go to the front of this first ship here and make sure he gets to that wave and up.
Alright. So we'll just rush here and then watch the windows?
I'll go on the right side and then you can go inside the building.
Alright.
And once he makes it, I'll tell you we'll come around with it. I'm gonna go right. You're going on the right? You're going that way?
Yeah, we're gonna go inside the ship.
We're going up the ship, I'll go to the left side then.
Alright. Check! 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 Hit! Check! Check! Back right! Check your foot! Huh? I didn't get him.
I got shot in the fingers.
I got a couple people. I don't remember how many. I think like 2. You're so done if you don't have this. The ship, you don't have. You're so done.
It's too hard to start, or it's too hard to kill you when you start on this side. I hit Andrew in the head. I hit Sean.
Is there?
And then the big guy in the...
Is there a line of sight from here to the door? Because if we can get the door, they're done. They can't get in.
Right here.
Just unload. As soon as we get out, just unload into the door.
You guys gonna rush up then? No, I'm going around left side. I'm gonna go left too. Someone's gotta watch that doorway. They usually don't come through that.
Brian, move, move, move.
You know what entrance though? Watch Andy.
Woo! Doorway! They got in the ship. Brian's back right! Top level! Top level! In the ship! I think so. Back wave's clear. Where are they shooting from?
Alright guys, do not shoot to the field. Wait one right here. Otherwise, at the end of the field, do not go to the field. Fence on the right side.
Top! Top set, one left! Hit! Barrel! Barrel! Check the barrel! He's up, top. Someone in the back of the boat, just sitting in the corner watching the door.